Here are 5 facts about ancient foods. 1. Bread has been consumed for over 14,000 years. The earliest evidence of bread making was found in Jordan. Tamales are one of the oldest known prepared foods. They were first made in Mesoamerica over 10,000 years ago. Tamales are typically made of masa, a dough made from ground corn, wrapped in corn husks and steamed. 3. Fermented alcohol has been around for over 9,000 years. The earliest evidence of fermented alcohol was found in China and consisted of a rice wine. Fermented alcohol was often used in religious ceremonies and rituals. 4. Chicha, a fermented drink made from maize, has been consumed in South America for over 7,000 years. 5. Popcorn is one of the oldest snacks in the world. The earliest evidence of popcorn was found in New Mexico and dates back over 6,500